What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. Today we're talking about some future stuff on a server that might get restart, even though I already died about 3 or something time. Oh yeah, you can join it if you want to. Yeah, the IP will be down in the description below. But anyway, I will put the IP on the screen in a few seconds. But stuff about the future, I'm gonna do a few things, like, for instance, like, I'm gonna be doing like a new Google account. I'm gonna be doing a new Google account, so like you guys can join. And I'm also gonna be doing a I don't know, I'm gonna be doing more because like today is my last day of school and stuff. Anyway, so I just wanted to get that out. But I am on top of Green's house. So yeah, I could give you like a little tour. So this is Green's house.
My house is the goat.
But anyway.
Stop! That was payback. That is literally payback.
I'm literally not doing anything.
But yeah, okay.
Green.
Up there I was where I died first, and I died. It's like every time you die. Hey, Green. Hey, Green. Hey, Green.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you kill me just so I can show my viewers, like, what would happen? So if I die, like now, I minus a heart.
Green.
So that's what happens every time you die.
Green.
So, yeah.
Trigger Excel.
Yeah, then if you trigger Excel, then you could get your heart back.
Green.
Yeah. So...
Creeper, can you do your negotiations later? Not while he's recording.
And also, if you haven't watched Green, or if you have, you know that they build a bread bridge, which is right there. We're building our own. So, yeah. So we're building our own bread bridge, which we also need a lot of dirt. So we need a lot of food. So yeah. I mostly wanted to record for future ideas, but yeah. I'll show you the IP for the server, and yeah, anyone can join it.
Yeah, I watched Green Short.
Yeah, comment down below. What?
Tell them if they want to join, message me.
Yeah, if you want to join, message Green. His Discord is here. Or if I have my thing up, if I have my Gmail up, which I will put here in a sec. So let's get that here right now. You spin me round like you
like
spin me
round. You spin. I don't know how the rest of the song goes. You spin me round.
Okay, that just happened. But anyway, let me show you the IP and my Google thing. So let's do that. Hey guys, welcome back to anyway, I already did the
Welcome
intro.
back to the Llama Paradise.
Yeah, welcome back to the llama journey. So today we got Creeper and Green, and today I'm gonna be taking them on a ride. Let's go. And it's funny because the llamas keep spitting at Green. Is he gonna do that the whole? Oh no! Oh shoot! What you? Well, he died.
No! Okay, this one's safe though. Creeper, take me somewhere.
I'll take its memories.
You with me now. I'll drop you in this pit if you don't help me do a whoop like that.
He wants to copy your roof.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go do the other thing. So we're gonna do.
Can you help us?
Peace in a
Help us cover breaks and the llama dies and
Hi
we
guys.
die.
Today we're doing something scary. So I'm. Okay, that just happened. Okay, let's go back.
Wait! TP me!
I just suffocated in the
James.
wall.
I'm gonna TP to you!
James is just our friend. It's our friend.
Cling! Yes! Cling!
So, yeah, that just happened. Okay. Okay, that was weird.
What? What?
No! Oh my! Let's go! Okay, I'm gonna go outside. This is too tiring.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna finish the video, and... Okay, I'm gonna show you the IP and and my software thing. But the IP is right here. BeastSteelEternals.me. I'm gonna make it small.
Yo!
Okay, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but this is the IP.
Let's go!
This is the IP. So, oh yeah, you can hear me. This is the IP if you want. No. So, let me show you the other thing. So, this might be my Google thing where hunterdiamond@gmail.com maybe. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.